What's going on, y'all? It's your boy KNG, KNGTOFAMOUS, and today we are going to be reacting to funny Mike snuck out during lockdown. During lockdown, G? That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
You want the last place is the basement? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, basement for sure. Yeah.
All the way down.
You got your key card?
No, I didn't give me one. Remember?
How we get to the basement?
This man.
Go down.
That's roof. That's
Oh.
Oh no. Come on. Man, you can't even get that way.
Wait, didn't we just come down from there?
Man, what the fucking microwave you go, man? We can't even.
Damn, we gotta take the elevator then.
Where the key card?
They don't give me one. Remember?
We stuck down there.
Call Jay.
We can't even get up, bro. We're stuck.
Oh, you do need the.
Can you swipe for us?
I don't think they got a key card.
We left our key. Huh? We left our key.
He lying. He lying. He lying so hard.
Chat, can y'all tell Jay?
Nah, we just somebody come down.
That man funny Mike snuck out. Hold up.
You got a key card?
Yeah, but I ain't supposed to be using it for y'all. Where y'all's at?
I left my up there. Come on, man. Turn me up, man.
Nah.
Alright, we going.
Hey, you can swipe us up? I left my key card.
I'm not turn y'all up. Man, listen. Go get your.
Hey, I was just thinking, I'm hungry, couldn't find my
It might be
Oh,
one
yeah,
of the
though.
basement as far as the microwave.
basement.
Might be.
Nah.
That little room where all the games and stuff in it, there might be one down there. I ain't been down there in a minute, so I don't know. But it ain't nobody down there, though. It's just like big stuff in this.
What up, baby? Hi.
Bro, ain't no
We've
microwave.
been looking for They said Tello got one.
It ain't. I just left from up there.
Oh. So
Not even.
no microwave?
Downstairs either?
Ain't it in the one in the basement? Wait, so why they got a noodle station with no
Oh, hot water. They got
Oh, they
boiling
did?
water. They giving us noodles
What
water.
they do?
Yes,
Where?
a thing with downstairs basement. It's a thing with boiling water. Like a tea kettle thing. You can
That could
boil
work
water.
too.
Let me get my key card.
In the basement.
Yeah, my boy, you need your key card, my boy.
Yeah, but that one.
He mashing. He mashing.
Mac, bitch. Thank you. Bro, no microwave. Oh, well. But they say boiling water in the basement, so I can't even get my key card. Because we got stuck on the bottom floor. They got security down there crashing.
I know.
Crashing. Security crashing.
Security down there crashing.
You saw my portable charger move on?
Nah.
So what floor the basement on?
No. All the way at the bottom. We have to walk.
If that bit, that means.
Did me? Yeah, that's mine.
Did you?
Yeah.
No, look.
This man got.
Man, ain't got a lot going on. No, I need a microwave in this thing. Bro.
Boy, I hope that man cock catcher.
No, what happened? What you missing, the gang? I be telling you, man. My portable charger. What it look like? Man, big thing. You know how big this is. You can't miss that.
It looked like ours, but his shit like a newer version.
Is it that little thing right there?
Yeah, it looked like that. No, that's ours.
You gotta be structured and make sure you lock the door now.
Oh, I been here the whole time. I ain't going nowhere. That's why I'm so confused.
Check your booty.
All right.
Man, what you doing?
Nah, bro. Hey, yo.
The basement, gang. We hungry. Man, go
Why you not talking about me?
Is it right there, Jay? Is it that one right there? In that corner?
Man,
Ruin it.
We see you caking at night, huh? You caking.
Nah.
Now that's you thinking. I don't see you with Nan on here, man. You talking about room.
Hey, man, I'm just. Oh, I need to go to the basement.
I'm trying to think.
You got both lights?
Where's my noodles?
Oh my.
God.
You gotta go walk back and grab it.
Bro, noodles, gang.
Bro, how you forget your noodles, bro?
See, when you hungry, you're not yourself. You're not yourself when you hungry. Eat this nigga. Let me piss first. Leave.
Oh.
Wait, huh? They just told us we're not. No. Talil told me that.
Yeah. It don't work.
You know, we got right.
Man, that nigga finna still sneak out. He still finna sneak out.
Big Mac. Still on lockdown. Dudes in the hallway just say we still on lockdown.
They just skip cutscene.
Bro, close though, bro. I don't know what. I hungry as a.
Lockdown. They said lockdown after 10. Nah, that's
We
crazy.
can still walk down there.
Man, I'm finna grab my down there. They said we still on lockdown.
Oh, we hungry, bro.
Fuck that shit.
I like that type of activity.
I like that.
You
Nigga
got
said,
your noodles, you got your key card?
that nigga said I like that type of activity.
Make it back quick. Huh? The chat. They say they better make it back quick.
It's like real, yeah.
You got the other side there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the basement.
Oh, you ain't been down there yet?
Nah, I'm trying to get some hot water.
Kai lifted the
Yeah, that's what they told me up there.
nobody even know for sure. Everybody get away there.
Nah, boy, that boy just said. That boy just said it's lockdown, boy.
Man,
All right, now basement.
good. How you boil this?
No, it's hot already.
Oh, it's hot.
Yo, you got your key, right?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
You do, right?
Yeah,
You
we
sure?
got it because you get locked in.
Okay, cool. All right, good night.
All right, good night. Niggas say spell cow on the way. Shit, man. Well, you gotta spell their ass first. Dude.
Dang, Twin J, you done all the water.
Put some more.
Ain't no fucking no. You gotta ball this shit, gang.
It's gonna take quick. It's electric. They unplugged it. That's why too.
Man, this some ghetto ass shit.
Bro, that's still a microwave, bro.
Dang, we in this bitch like we making crack or something. What is this shit? You plug it right here? Yeah, here you go. Plug that bitch up. Bro, why the YouTube
Gotta steal it. Wait, is that a microwave right there? Nah, that don't look like it.
Is it hot enough though? What you done? That bitch was on, mama. What I did? You turned it off. How long it take?
Bro, you gotta put the.
Oh, that's a coffee shit. Okay.
Bro, you gotta put it. You gotta put it on there, bro.
Looks like it's already starting.
Ooh.
Oh, it look like it's already on there.
I got a
You
Sprite.
got a book set?
No, I don't.
So I would've cleaned this motherfucker out.
Nah. Funny Mike down there stealing. Funny Mike down there stealing. They said Kai coming. They said Kai coming. That be refreshing, ain't it? That mother refreshing, ain't it?
Me?
Oh.
You can take this bitch to our room.
Nah, that boy finna steal that one.
They just heated it up now.
That's what I'm trying to do.
He finna steal that mud. Nah.
Hey, I'm gonna take this bitch to the room.
Nah, bro. He a
There we go.
J, ton.
Yeah, just
We structured, shit. We structured this bitch.
Nah, G.
Before everybody just,
Twin finna get expelled.
but you know,
Yo, that sound like way too many numbers. That sound like way too many numbers.
Hey, Chad, we found a microwave. Well, a microwave all night.
my eyes were straight open. I said, "What is that?"
Bitch, you smart.
That nigga said you smart.
It stopped 3 minutes.
There you go.
Count 10.
Hey, man, I'll take you to the room. I just ordered this. Where's his house?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
Y'all want me to take the whole microwave?
Take the whole microwave is crazy.
No, they got this shit.
They got this. It's crazy, Chad, because I got to wait on Momo. You got your ID card?
No, they don't give me one. Remember, my shit only gonna be in there for like 30 minutes.
Microwave, bitch. It's like Christmas in the hood, nigga.
This
I ain't
man
gonna lie. I
here.
hate when I put water in my noodles and wait till that shit like you warmed it up, man. For real, bitch. Nigga found a whole microwave. Nigga, it's like Christmas in the hood, nigga.
Nah, G.
Trapping out the dorm room. Anyway.
Trapping out the dorm room. Nigga got a microwave with an isotol. Hey, look. We really could, because when you get on the elevator we just got on, straight up. Nigga, what you doing, man? I just ordered this. You heard me?
Nigga, hey. It's crazy because he practicing his lines of what he about to say, bruh. Nah, bruh. As soon as they see it, he gonna be like certified with that jump because he practicing right now. Man, I just ordered it, man. I just ordered it type shit. You hear what I'm saying? Like he practicing his lie right now.
What up?
Every time, bro, it get more aggressive. It just get more aggressive.
Man, we just got this bitch out the closet, man. I'll take that bitch up.
When did you just say you
Hold on,
pulled it
know
out your
what? No.
suitcase?
After this, take it straight up.
Oh, okay. Then I heat it up there.
Yeah.
All right, bet.
You just
Yeah,
throw
I'm
that
gonna-
one away. We're gonna sacrifice that one because
Alright, bet.
you ain't gonna want it.
Yeah, because it's already soggy.
We're gonna take the whole microwave.
Kai coming? Kai's coming around? Yeah.
Kyle around the corner. What corner he around? He coming. You looking for me?
He said, yeah.
So watch y'all to move tactical. Kai and DDG won't move. We good. We can take this whole microwave. Shit, we found this.
Damn, my boy. Hey, my boy, that.
You're not wrong.
But that's too long. Boy, your noodle been there for way too long, G. Kai beating DDG ass.
Oh yeah, instruction. It's
You
instruction.
want me to hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna grab the microwave.
He said, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna grab the microwave. Nah, that's crazy.
You hold that.
Give me your drink.
It's just instruction.
Yeah, still that mug. Still that mug.
They say they expelling people. You gonna get expelled.
We should just leave it there.
Leave it.
Yeah, leave that shit.
Bro, no, take that, bro.
No, we're gonna put this bitch back where we found it.
No, take it.
I already threw my shit away.
Fuck it, we're gonna come back.
All right.
I'm gonna send you back. Fuck it. I want that microwave.
Click it.
Oh. Oh, shit.
There you go. Now it's green.
They telling me to take that bitch. Man, I wanna take that.
Bro, you acting scary, bro.
Then my juices stuff wins and I take it and open it up. There go Kai. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm
I'm
putting
saying,
it.
nigga gave me this. I love.
Nah, bro.
They telling me to take that bitch.
Bro, you acting scary, G. It's right there. Grab that mug. Bro, you got perfect time, boy.
Bro, we can go straight up, man.
Do that. Bro, do that, bro. Take it, bro. You acting so scary.
We can't stay.
Yeah! That's what I need to see, G. That's what I need to see, Matt Arthur. That's what I need to see, Matt Arthur. Hold up, his phone.
Hurry.
Yeah, take that, Matt Arthur. That boy took that mug.
And we found it, bro.
We found
We
that.
ain't steal it.
Where y'all found that at?
We gonna put it back.
What happened to your story,
Let's
G?
make a mukbang now. All right.
Bitch, we gotta eat. We good, bitch. We structured. This shit structured. This shit structured. Why don't we do this up, mama? Why don't we do this up? What up, Chad? Shit, we structured now.
Nah, G, nah.
You gotta plug that bitch up out of the door. Shit. I'm trying to plug it. Nigga, plug it up under the bed, nigga.
He said plug it up under the bed is crazy. Boy, you know that John hot.
This
When you
shit
hit
so good, bro. Microwave can't.
Know that John hot.
Hey, man, you ain't gonna dap me down for this shit? Bitch, we roommates. We taking that lick together.
Oh, nigga said we taking that lick together, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't heard.
Nefarious work, my boy. He said we taking that lick together. Kai finna come through his spill, bro. But you gotta eat that fat, boy.
Who, Jay? Bitch, I turned you up. You ain't gotta go. You ain't
I
gotta.
ain't gotta go nowhere.
You ain't even gotta go do what we did, bitch.
Well, that's good. Appreciate you for that, man. Appreciate you for that, man.
We super structured.
Tony said we super structured, bro. Nah.
Bitch, we got a microwave, bitch. Jay, bitch, I turned this up. Hey, look, cause we down there. They got this little hot water boiler, right? That shit wasn't gonna get your food right. So Momo turned around, and in the distance, he'll see a microwave. It's like a movie. Ooh,
Hey, good
it's
lad.
like a movie. Ooh. Intrusive thought came. We hurry up, grab it, plug it up, warm. I should. He got some noodles, but he got the water already. I'm saying, man, we gotta move quick and strategic. I grabbed it, took it up.
Yeah, that's that big. Oh, yeah, that's that big. So when you come in here, just put that bit behind your
Hey, no, don't answer the door.
He said don't answer the door.
We sleep? So don't say that.
We're not opening our door chat for no nigga.
But I wouldn't have been in bad bit like, bro, come on, bro. Blush me. I know you got the microwave, G. I know you got it. Let me use that mug. Nah, they already snitching.
Nigga gotta pay us to warm up they shit around this bit.
They got that little one. They got that little water heater.
They said somebody snitching. DDG ratting on you now?
They say DDG telling.
Nah. Nah, he's snaking out there, boy. Nah, buddy snaking.
If you a real nigga, you'll take that route.
Nigga said, if I'm a real nigga, take that out. Boy, you got me fucked up, nigga. Nigga look like,
Oh, I forgot, we on your
nigga,
computer.
Take a charge. I
Do I look like a nigga that take a charge?
They say Kai on the way. They cap. No, he's not.
Man, you better go put that in the middle room. Oh! Mute straight. Put that in the middle. You the only person on live, so it wouldn't matter. See, that's exactly why I wanted to play the game, son. GTA RP would be way better, son. Y'all running through yelling and shit.
We just wait, man. My nigga Mama went on that GTA mission, bitch.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Together.
I guess so. He your cameraman. You just make no sense.
All right, y'all. So, hold up.